Welcome to today's class. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher, and today we have a difficult topic, a hard topic. Yeah, very difficult grammar. It's very difficult for me to explain, to tell you how past simple and present perfect work. It's difficult for me, and it's difficult for you to use past simple and present perfect. It's not easy. It's not easy. But past simple is a tense and present perfect is a tense. So, when do we use past simple and when do we use present perfect? Also, what does past simple look like? And what does present perfect look like? So, past simple with the verb do. And present perfect with the verb do. Same verb. In a positive sentence, I did my homework yesterday. I did my homework last night. Okay, we know when we use past simple. Yesterday, last night. So, yesterday is a signal. Yesterday is a signal for past simple. You must use past simple when you say yesterday, or maybe past continuous, but never present perfect. We don't know when present perfect, okay? So, I did my homework yesterday. I did my homework 2 hours ago. In negative, I didn't do my homework last night. I didn't do my homework last week. Yeah, so last week at 3:30, 3 hours ago. Signal words for past simple. And question, did you do your homework? Yeah, after did, infinitive. After didn't, infinitive. Did you do your homework yesterday? Did you do your homework last night? Did you do your homework at 3:30? Yeah, did you do? We know when with past simple. Past simple is the second form, not the third form. Third form is present perfect. What do I mean? Second form, third form. Well, every English verb has three forms, or maybe two forms. But look at this. Be, first form. Was, were, second form, past simple. Been, have been is present perfect. Been is third form. A verb like go, yeah, go is present simple, yeah. I go to the park every Monday. I go to the park every Monday. But yesterday I went to the park, second form, past simple. Yesterday I went to the park. 3 hours ago I went to the park. Gone is third form, so have gone or has gone, present perfect. Okay, we will look at have gone, has gone in a moment, in a few seconds. Okay, so go, went, gone. Speak, spoke in past simple. Yesterday I spoke to my uncle at 3:30. Yeah, yesterday I spoke to my uncle at 3:30. Sorry about that. Okay, speak, spoke, spoken. Yeah, I have never spoken to my grandfather. Yeah, something like that. I have never spoken to my grandfather. Okay, present perfect. So third form is present perfect. Yesterday I broke a vase. Last summer I broke my leg. Yeah, I was skiing and I broke my leg. So broke, past simple. Last summer I broke my leg. But have you ever broken your leg? Have you ever broken your leg? I have never broken my arm. I have never broken my leg. I lied. It's not true. I have never broken my leg. Have you ever broken your leg? Have you ever broken your arm? Okay, so broken, third form, present perfect. Have broken or has broken. He, she, it has broken. He has broken his leg. She has broken her leg. Okay. Know, knew, known. I didn't know the answer when the teacher asked me a question. I didn't know. I didn't know the answer. Yeah, I didn't know the answer when. If we know when or say when. Yeah, or say when. When the teacher asked me, I didn't know the answer. Yeah, I didn't know the answer when the teacher asked me. So, no, knew. But my friend, he knew the answer. He knew the answer. He put his hand up. He put his hand up. And be careful. Some verbs, like put, are put. Put. All three forms. Yeah, are put. Yeah, in past simple, put. In present simple, put. In present perfect, have put. Yeah, have put. Put. Cut. Some verbs are the same in all three forms, and they're little words that end in a T. Put, cut, cost, hit, yeah. So yes, the machine cost a lot of money. Yeah, 3 weeks ago it cost a lot of money, or it has cost me a lot of money. Hit. Yeah. Yesterday, my sister hit me. She hit me yesterday. Or has your sister ever hit you? Has your sister ever hit you? So remember, some verbs, small verbs, put, cut, cost, hit. But some verbs, fly, flew,